Magandang araw mga ka-EdTech learners. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of one of the most important tool from Microsoft Office 365, the Microsoft Excel. This tool is very helpful, especially if you're a teacher kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-compute manually sa mga grades ng iyong mga estudyante because with Microsoft Excel, ilang click-click lang yan and you are done. So let's start. First things first, let's go ahead and open a new Excel document. Then piliin lang natin ang blank page. Tapos kunyari, i-compute natin ang final grades ng mga students in their first and second semester. Now, just like the typical class record, we need to type down the information first at yung mga data na i-compute natin later on. So type lang natin name of the students, then first semester, second semester. Now, if you notice, hindi kasya yung text sa isang cell. Ang gagawin natin is, i-double tap lang natin itong line between cell B and C, and automatically the cell will adjust so that the text will fit inside a single cell. Or, we can also click and hold that line and drag it sideways until the text fits. Then, type lang tayo ng made-up names. Ayan. Tapos, kung mapapasin nyo, lumagpas ulit yung mga pangalan ng estudyante sa kabilang cell. Pwede nyo ulit gawin yung kanina, but you can also highlight the whole thing and then type Alt-HOA to auto-fit the column. At Alt-HOA naman if we wanna auto-fit the row. Then, let's add the grades. Now that we have all the data needed, let's start calculating their average. There are two ways to calculate their averages. But first, by the way, a very important thing to remember if gagamit tayo ng formula is, it always starts with an equal sign. Let's put that in mind. So first way to get the average, just type equals, then sum, open parentheses, then click natin si B2 and drag your cursor to C3, close parenthesis, divided by 2. Then, enter. Pag lumabas na yung average, ayan, 95, see the dot right here? We want to go ahead and drag it to the bottom. And ayan, automatically makukompute na rin yung iba. Another way is, again, let's type equal sign first, and then type average. Open parenthesis, click B2 and drag the cursor until C2, then close parenthesis. There you go, same result. Then again, drag the cursor down to apply the same rule to the rest of the cell. Let's proceed with the remarks. To know if your students have passed or failed the class, let's use conditional function. So type equals, if, then open parenthesis, click natin si 95 or yung D2, then greater than, then equal, tapos 75, comma, open quotation, then pass, then close quotation, comma, space, open quotation, fail, close quotation, and then close parenthesis, then enter. Again, drag lang natin pababa to auto-populate the other cells. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ngayon, if gusto nating lagyan ng kulay yung remarks, highlight lang natin yung buong area na gusto natin magkakakulay. Then, go to conditional formatting. The highlight cells rules, then look for text that contains. Pagkatapos niyan, lalabas tong box, then here, type lang natin pass. Edit lang natin yung kulay, gawin natin green. Then, okay. Same lang sa fail, balik tayo sa conditional formatting. Highlight cells, rules, text that contains. Then, ngayon naman, fail ilagay natin. Then, palitan lang natin yung kulay to red and then click OK. Ganyan lang. At kung gusto nating dagdagan ng details, we can highlight the entire first column, then click bold or Control B. Or if we want to add border, highlight everything, Go to Home tab and look for this icon under Font ribbon. Then click all the borders. That's it. Ganyan lang kadali gumawa ng grades gamit ang Excel. So imagine if you are calculating it one by one and you have 30 students, it will cost you a lot of time. But thanks to Excel, our job as a teacher is now more easier and efficient.